for almost a year is never easy. Just like me. I know you kids miss breathing in fresh air from nature. But did you know that sometimes the air inside our house are more polluted than outside? Why don't we try to bring nature inside our home? In today's episode of Smart Talk, I'm going to share to you some indoor plants together with their benefits and how they will help during homeschool. All that and more. So make sure to watch this video until the end. There are a handful of indoor plants that help out eliminate volatile organic compounds, or better known as VOC. These are the toxic substances that are found inside our home. From plastic, glues, levers, adhesives, paint, furniture wax, cigarette smokes, and a lot more. When you are heavily exposed, you may experience headache, dizziness, mouth or nose irritation, increase of heart rate, or damaged internal organs. First on the list, indoor plants improves air quality. Snake plants are a good example that can effectively remove more than 90% of toxins in the air. This will help prevent any type of infection and absorb a lot of carbon monoxide that are present in gasolines and cigarette smokes. Before we go to number 2, if you like these types of videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated for my new videos. Number 2, these plants help you to be more relaxed while sleeping. Study shows that aloe vera releases oxygen at night. In other words, it's very nice to put it in your bedroom. Or better yet, try putting these in your homeschool area. It doesn't need much water and sunlight. Number 3, they help normalize blood pressure and heart rate. Let's go to the indoor plant that needs sunlight. The lavender plant. Studies have shown that lavender is effective and naturally helps to normalize your blood pressure and heart rate. Just place it near the window or anywhere around your house with sunlight coming in. The mild and relaxing scent of lavender will definitely help you sleep. Number 4, they help sharpen your attention and become more productive. There were studies before that proved having a living plant in the classroom helps sharpen students' attention. It was compared to the classroom that only has plastic plants. Bromeliads are great examples of helping people become more productive and creative. Number 5, they help you recover fast when you're sick. A review made in 2002 showing that recovery of the sick was really fast just by looking at the plants and flowers. This study was conducted in hospitals where there are a lot of plants inside and outside. It was then found that these patients have stayed shorter in the hospital and took less medication with plants inside and out. To get more details about these studies, links are found in the description below. So kids, have you decided what indoor plants you want in your house? Comment down below and I'll be happy to discuss them with you. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Don't hesitate to share this with your friends and family. That's all for now.